Hi friends, I have created one AI small short movie for just for 1 minute. Please watch that. After that, I'll be telling you how I created that particular entire movie in just less than say 1 hour or so. I just prepared it.
By the park we used to stay and drink past midnight till the sunrise, talking shit, a couple kids. We were friends.
So I have created this video using a tool called as Google VO3. That is Google AI software for creating videos. So in the bottom right, you can able to see in my video there is something like VEO. Actually, the Google VO3 is not enabled for everyone in Google Gemini. It is only for the pro subscriptions. So in case if you are a faculty member or you are a student from a particular engineering college or university, you can able to claim that. Just in Google, just go to Google Gemini AI for student. Like that you can put it. So it will be giving you verify eligibility something. So you can verify the eligibility and you can check the eligibility. So after the eligibility is done, then you can able to get creating a pro account. But only thing is you have to enable the yearly renewal. That is 19,500. It will be enabled for you. After the next year, 1,950 per month they will be charging. So for that they have to enable auto pay. So once you enable auto pay, your verification will be your student verification will be verified. After that you are enabled with pro. Then after that again you go back to the same app. For example, if you are using UPI, so go to UPI, go to manage auto pay and cancel auto pay. So in that case, in the next year when the renewal process comes, you need not pay the 1,950, so that you can able to explore the next 1 year with how to use that. And regarding the AI video creation, yeah, they'll be giving you 1,000 credits of video. That means sometimes one video will take you just 10 credits to make. Sometime one video will have 20 credits, 20 AI credits. 20 AI credits means if you want audio as well as video, in that case 20 for one video, 20 credits. So in that case for only with the video you will get only 10 credits, so that you can add the music or the voiceover later. So I have just used 10 credits. In that case, every month I can able to create 100 videos for the pro account. But in case if you want more number of AI credits, you can purchase it, or you can wait for the next month of recycling, where you will get next 1,000 credits in the next month. So every month you can able to create 100 videos if you are using only videos. Again, the limitation here is you will have to get only 8 seconds of video. You will get it because Google VO supports only 8 seconds of video. So if you want to, let's say, create 2 minutes of video, then you have to put 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds, like that. So 8 seconds will be 80 seconds. So 80 seconds of video you need to create 10 scene. And I used ChatGPT for creating the scene by scene. So scene number 1 for 8 seconds, scene number 2 for 8 seconds, scene number 3, like that. I have enabled the scenes. Okay, so I have given here the mobile phone addiction or the technology addiction. That's what I just given the video here. So I given C1, C2, C3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, scene 7, scene 8. Totally I have done only for 1 minute. So 1 minute means obviously it will be around 60 seconds. So I just made around 7 or 8 seconds. That means I have just 8 scenes, and then after that I did the editing, and then I have just completed the video. So this is how the way you can able to create a movie on it. But I have not used any voice over there, or I have not used any voicing over there. So in case if you want to use voice, so you can follow my part 2. So I'll give the part 2 video, but I'll tell you the procedure how I did this complete video. So in that case you can understand how you can able to create the video. So now please remember, if you are watching, if you are a student or a faculty member in a university in India, you can able to get it 19,500 worth of information you can get free of cost using your email ID which you already have given your by your university. But the account will not be directly enabled for your email ID, because if you are using a @gmail.com email ID, open to the gmail.com email ID. In that, go for verify eligibility. So there you have to provide your institutional email ID. So there you will get the notification or a OTP. Once you give the OTP, then regarding the payment means they will enable the auto pay. So once it is done, your ID will be verified. So that's how you will be getting it. So it is a very easy process. You can try on and wait for the part 2 video. So I will be posting it by tomorrow. Thank you.